Hello, my people. Happy weekend to you all. Yes, so my people. I know say I write a comment. I can't say I get message for a word Aburume picking. Evelyn Aburume, aka a word for weekend. My people, it's been a while. I just did scare someone for Facebook because I did worry say baby TikTok would do ya go on Facebook. So my people, when I know say I'm not there too current for Facebook for a very long time, now more than 2 months, I think. I not really know what they go on for Facebook. I don't feel like. But there was a video I saw yesterday. No. I saw a video about 3 or 4 days ago on TikTok. I said they screwed they go. Which video I see? I see Evelyn Aburume. One I know for a word that video now I see. I listen to that video. Normally me, I know if I hear the screw, they go and listen to video. I feel listening to music and joke and comedy. But say can they talk long video, I know they fit like that. So when I see a word, sit down, they do video. Firstly, I was even thinking, say maybe an old video. So as I can't listen, watch them now, sit down where make I listen to the video where I can't see the video where what do. That make me say I will send message to her. My people, happy weekend to you all. I just they come back from work. You know go too day, but though I still they come in full time because this matter he go rough. You know why? Too much of everything is bad. If you don't know someone, oh yeah, let's go there. Agbawene oh. Agbawene atamu fefe no kwodion. Ebe na mi ebo pia, ebi abe mi ebo kwodion oh. Agbawene oh yo. Hey. Oh turugbeke. Aweme oh. Utegume miemi nimia ekpe gboyan dane ko iwa maguwe kegira igbise ogbogboka aweme o kaweme nuwa o utegume miemi nimia ekpe zoyan dane ko iwa maguwe kegira igbise ogbogboka Utegume miemi ni miega pezo ya dane ko iwe maguwe kegira pise ogbogboka awukwe egba nagbon yata lo magie emenu nu ma nagbon yata magie ogogwe na se bo taye na se yare yere o Iyije oisawa na me ogese gbana o Gbogbo we ye gbe ugbogbo gan Gbogbo we ye gbe ugbogbo gan no Gbogbo we ye gbe ugbogbo gan Gbogbo we ye gbe abelu no Agama mama o Edo Igwa gyama mama Amatoba e kabina kinga gyama mama o Edo o Igwa gyama mama o Ame sobo yegbe Igwa gyama mama Iwunyi mama na bia mama Aga gyama mama o Gyama o Amagi gyama mama o Oma to boy kami no hin Awunyi mama Agiabiele Eva yegwa yigele gya ye fi yo Unyi mama He will turn your veno no ye oh. Okay, let's go there. My people, the video where I see. Oh, Baba Bunu. He killing Mati, killing Handy no. Oh, Baba Bunu. Oh, here, Salo Bow. I am a nukio ya. Koben me adam a video. No, ya buru me u. I am a nukio ya wafi here bohania. Ogati ojao, 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 ojana la yam a nukio ya gbe. Ojagbe go, yagbe, yagbo. No, this matter now, not they very obvious. This matter, una way the see, Esther is not my friend. But let us say it the way it is. Is it not very obvious? Una way they insult Esther now. Me, I don't beat Esther for this social media tire. But when I see the truth, I say it. That's me for you. Even that we my work we una we say. Me, I not talk say okay. No, now you right. No, I know they do that kind of thing because me and you they quarrel. No, I don't do that. Even person who will just cause or go finish for each other, I go still when he right, I go give him. I they hear sing for TikTok because me I know they for Facebook all this while. I not even they current for Facebook. I don't even know what they go on. The where they hear, I can't hear say one woman cry come out. He say, okay, mon leo, destiny, okay, mon leo, okay, mon leo, destiny, EBAGUA, okay, mon leo, he don't be a Joe, he don't play for one now, he say go give a visa to Canada no work, because he go give a visa to America no work, now so he pay million. I don't believe, I cannot believe, say, word, now a friend, according to the woman, say a word now a friend, now a word introduce her to destiny. I don't hear that thing. You feel live nika miss honey belene social media, the TikTok, you understand what I'm saying? After some weeks, I just, you know what, I see say, now a word video now contact. Do you people know the reason why I say make I watch that video finish? I was expecting a word to come talk better thing. If you don't do something, I was in a bon on she disgraced her husband. I was disgraced her husband. Oh one, Maggie, one now 0. One now what? One now bon one, if I bother if you are why am I saying this? No matter what, the last time I checked, Destiny Okemole of EBAGUA, he put money for Evelyn Aburume. He put money for her head. He put money for Esther of Isese. Other way we go your home. Woman when they put money for her head, they say they wash their leg. Now so they put money for their head. Before you do anything, come out for social media, come they talk nonsense. Were you not supposed? Edward, to get the permission of your husband? No, you did it. Wagwan senior, now you talk pass. Osasabu no mwegui. Osasabu no mwegui. Amuru baki yogo. Oh. You come at Evelyn. You can't disgrace your husband, disgrace the entire family. You know, say for this social media, the name where they call your husband. When that your friend come out, now you still go carry that your friend, go give Destiny. When he come out as he can't talk. Were you not supposed to call your husband before you came out? Another thing will come pay me pass. After all the insults, your Albert rained on your own husband when he put money for your head. You wanted to tell the world as you did do it before. Green snake under the green grass. SB. Owa mi san, isan, ana mi nyaka gbe san kegbe yen. Why man egbe? Isan. You wanted the old one said that you good pastor, whereas now you be the devil for that family. Oh yeah, let's go there. You wanted to bring Esther down. Okay, as you not go still call your own husband, we put it for house, we put it for your head before you do that video. What were you supposed to say on that video? My friend, as you say, you just they talk, say, my friend, now visa, oh, my husband still pay dues, oh, the money when you pay my husband still pay dues, so they never give you visa. No worry, my sister or my friend. Me and my husband, we don't talk. You go be so you don't call your husband. Or I go talk to my husband. I beg, this way they talk. Now wrong narrative. No, they narrate my husband, no, they call her thief. I don't carry you, I don't introduce to my husband. May will come play you. My husband not before 419. I not before 419. You come out. Una do mo yagbon nu e na gbon tale loke mon lewe o Jacques mon tell me no. You come put on no verse. And then no say it go come be like this. It go come talk to 419. I go pay the money. Oh me go. You guys start ya si go nu gbe o agbon anu so. I go pay the money. Did you call your husband before you came out to do that nonsense video you did? To rubbish your own husband? Iyo salobwa. As a penny away, oh my no guana, ma do. Iyo salobwa. No ma do. Oh master no do no who. Oh master no do. No man neck be no man you know you don't have fun. No we go your own wow. Never about don't lie. You could not regard your husband. I bet. Oh, you ban no more agulo you are no go agbe yera yao. Era ije na shawo. You were begging Abba for what reason? After Abba disgraced your husband, insult your husband for no reason. Edwana beware Evelyn Usun Wagno. Isebe. How about the thing where you do the video where you were coming out? I bet if you be anything I bet forgive her. A peacemaker no who I deg you can we are not digging you can know who are wagno. Where my boy, John, where be more Johnny? I was so a poor word only man one who soon who wagno who bear sembe. A western is son. His son is Salah. You call the beggar bat. Begging about, you let your husband down. The truth has to be said. This is not saga now. Let's go straight to the point. Coming now to do that video without your husband's consent was bad enough. You can't still do them again. Can they beg about way no see let a waka follow your mate? About way no buy no woog again. You can't they beg for your husband. Your husband send you the message. You want to come belittle Esther. Made you work for applaud you say, hey, this is what that be the better wife, whereas than you be the snake. You let your husband down for no reason. Instead of you to come out on that video and deny for your husband, you concur to everything they said about your husband. Useless woman. You concur because the video you did, you concur to everything when they talk follow your husband. The next thing I go pay. I got pay without even telling your husband. Say, my husband, honey, darling, I want to do this video. Then your husband will tell you to go ahead, or he will tell you no. You came out on his behalf because say you want Pepe Esther. You want to make everybody they look Esther. Say, Esther, you don't see her. Nah, what? Can't come out. Now you can't put peace. Which peace you put now? The thing when you talk now, see her now, one wekuru. You don't scatter everywhere. No, back more. Me, I know you. Now people will not know you. Now people make I tell now the thing, the reason why this idiot, the devil water, why she do that video. One. Una see the way she take carry Destiny phone. Take all the conversation where they say Destiny phone. Go give my lovely sister Iyeki. The way she take carry all the things, conversation between Esther, that time, that is still the friend Esther. Go give Iyaki. Now the same way she take carry Esther matter, go give her back to the Osungu. Do you know why I'm saying it? Now music Esther sing, go hear the muzomo. He wants to. Esther say, Orioba, Tagasun, where the Neverogua, Orioba, Tagasun, where the Neverogua, Orioba, Tagasun, I'm my banner. Oh, sa no give a no. Oh, banner no, no. Net Babao. Now Esther sing yo. Now about comedy. Now they about start to the insult her Esther. Wa ma bege ye do be very mo eh. Ige. Evelyn. Na ya gwa di no bi aburu me no jagbon je imi era no le imi wi wa. Wa ma bege obe mo Esther. He does still go put Esther matter for about hand. Obe mo your body. Or him mo your body. How about that is soon with a bonagi like me, a bona if you're going to knife your baze mo you Ogunaki belemo ya bati o. Ao, Ogunaki beabati ye jena shagwao. Ije no bleach be bomber. He does go carry Esther matter, go give her. Now this idiot, like carry Esther matter, go give her. Abat. Because of a sudden, oh, what about Biama van? Esther was in her. Abat now, on a zelele. Esther. What was in why word? Or Banedo. What was in why word? Why? When I go there, in one way, I will not be money do, or what of ye. The way this same the devil water, when I am when Esther, you're here and all my backbone. That is the reason she came out to do that video, that nonsense apology to Abat that has been disrespecting your husband. Just because you want to bring Esther down. Just because you want to tell the world the way Esther Madano, Esther, but all of us know Esther they do you back. You not the green snake. But that's in the way here. Every abu me no let me go. Everyone let me go. Jack no jay everyone. All see and be mana wa. La go block you out wa bera wa biju wa gun gbe wa gun. Asungu. Ba bola we gbe. Come again here. Ni ba bola we gbe wa gun no sungu wa gun. Esther, they do your comment. Cannot tie your away. You don't carry Esther. Nah. Jamie the five brother, you know who are now we have to take a shoe. You don't still go carry Esther, matter. Now, so you give my sister that time. You hide. You go swear you do not have Bob, yeah. Do what girl they send information in Ladia. Koenya, Ebonate wak boo, Gafa. Una kwomi nene mi ame no ye ru egbe of every year egbe una ya fe bomb ye just to bring Esther out there to show to the world that Esther is the bad person. Esther look purple. That was why you send those records. But at the end of the day, we see and say, now you na be the bad dead. But one who done una be mu Esther. And the funniest thing is you say you love your husband, you dey fight for your husband. You don't know, say when you carry Esther matter, go give presenter, make the disguagua Esther. You still carry your husband home, Jenna. You have a god that from. No, who are backbone. Me matter mugwa seti motor na Tyler Evelyn, no gbe backbone. No gbe we go. No when start up boy. Me matter mugwa seti motor na tie. Me matter mugwa one more. I mean, we no BJ. You say you don't want a second wife. Why good? Because you the chop body. We are going to UK. We are going to England. We are going to Braka. We are going to Austria. We are going to Österreich. We are going to Deutschland. We are going to Germany. We are going to Italy. We are going to Italo. Una kien e backup singer lele nu gbe o agbon. Na kien backup singer. Una gare emi eko. Una gare emi egbe. Una gare emi eko. Una gare ge nu o wa agbon. Why you not come and come to say, oh, Destiny, no marriage, join me, equal. And then I am we go yesterday, you be there. Una book be no my neck be no soon who bagbon, no we start talk boy. What yesterday do you rest out? Hey, ni no bagwak boy Evelyn. Oh, ya burube. Oh, ye sanda isembe, san oh, why san no san la, anu be o bagbon. Ni sesete we mu be no you yesterday we. No we start na talk boy, na we start about that. I want to die. I want the one no toto. Oh, you want with me, I want Western like the Estado. Back, Western, I want down. I do have one who bell back. I don't know who I miss. Who I miss a bill. I want to cut best son, okay, baby. Every to Yaka. He did do my defuate. Oh, you got the dog. Ana Western, Salooon, Esther Waya. Oh, ya see me one. Oh, ya see me one. Yo Salooon. Oh, para Eri gbori adore ne sebe. Iwa mi sebe. Ami aro buwe gota. So kweri mi obi adoro buwe ta wa. Esther iwupa. Oya ke ubi Esther. Wanya toni. Warrior tani. Ima hu wi san. Ima kia wo gbugbu. Salooon me gu egbon we me baba. Igbe ti ma hu gbugbu. Esther warrior. Ah, wa de gbegbe mi na ladin. Ya ro we. E de gbe tan we warrior. O pa yon we wi edore. We no wi edo. Rudi sembe. Salooon aba na tabu nu na yin. E me gbabu nu we. Esther no wi sese. Ove na gbon ene. Iwu wena. Salooon de rave oh baba. Flee la wa mi Esther. How dare that be wa. The first time we Esther want go play for UK. Flee na wa mo Esther na wa vieri ya lo ka record for that video. Yeah, that video this social media. Why get me? At the end of the day, why get me? We want to spoil Esther career. Hey, get started do ya mu we UK na mi Esther agagbale oh kian ya pe me UK we be akun here nu gbe o bagbon we te we UK mo le no we te we get Destiny no the Destiny go we ro Evelyn nu su hu go bagbon oh yo bagwa I am a Destiny the Destiny ga hu we ro hey oh Joji aga so ni egina hey Destiny is central Destiny is central do ya Esther hu Esther man. Son we mulade na my address. They don't block my Facebook. My people, make una follow this new Facebook. They don't block my Facebook. No buy what more. Son na lady say now they sell. Now let this business now got to. I not got another business. Now Destiny now open. I get started with the letter you were son who buy what more. No, when start talk boy, they say, well, I'm not boy, I'm going. And some of the dog, but I'm going there. Esther now again, my dear. Esther now again, my dear. Esther, what with Bobby in UK or ya see one. Esther, what's the stage in UK? Oh, that's where that's in you. Oh, Salooon. Who dang he said Bena? He gave Evelyn, no ya boom, and oh, who are go your jack no Jenny, you taka attack barak, but no he said, Bay. Anybody la jagati, my head to my heart to oh, Kunuke, no bell back no to no meal. No, we are me a star. Boy, Evelyn, no ya boom, who were monarch by your body way, Manivia do ya will be against you and Destiny. Oh, we are not so bad. Oh, where? No when we do here, we talk about no good. Oh, we act by him anyway. Oh, we are doggy money or never. Where? In the Destiny tell me. He sees some beer of your like that way. He some beer car will not be okay. In man, you sound weak. Hey, Destiny, who were kept be some real. Here we are to tell you, we are to. Yagan or American or a walk, or Yaman, no ya way, America. Yago is some, you know. The Onania, Uboko one name down. A Destiny, where are ya buwa? Where man who done a king same ben a king and yet done a king. I tell me a destiny. You were the first testament. I took where me a destiny. I'll be Nadia when I have a destiny. Una be you. Una be gu. Una be you. Hey, no bell back bon. Hey, the devil water. Hey, the devil water. Hey, Nadia no kakere. Nadia was a baby girl. She was 19. Destiny never married Nadia. Nadia was, in fact, as Destiny, he will tell you. You got Nadia married. Nadia was your goddaughter. Una be kid that's una o. And Nadia ma fian wu you oru. O ma wonu vi u nu salu abagbon. O wa set him motorata. Also man attack me stand on the social media. Hey my people, I know I my husband ba join me o. Nu gba o abagbon. An jo don we. Nu o wa abagbon. Well, we son, no, when I we are do we are doing. No, who we are do talk when we bow it's a bit. It's a no kill, no, you la wa. Well, we son. Then I give me a good lavani in. Okay. Esther, baby. That you were so like Jana Wugwa. Why be in the shop? You when you come and enter your shop, you go to oh, this fit you. Una force it to your eto ya fe understand who gagana ge what big boy when you bow back no soon. No soon. My people, initially, when this was I say Esther, do you know this is the evil behind the whole calamity where they happen around Destiny household? Or say, oh, my EBAGUA. Okay, Tonya. If you're a webo, my year, Nigeria. We're not working here to know my boy. My son, the mafia, no bell bagno. You go where we're not working at bed in the evening, and who talk boy, bagno, no good boy. I am where you UK. I be using a Destiny, now they use a bonnet to fly, you go UK, the war, yeah. When they say that with you, don't be so 4199, 4199. All your friends, you carry and go give them. Me, unuwako fear. You can't pay the money now. Where? Una see, and maybe the good that me can't pay the money. Now, Esther follow you and chop the money. Not be you chop on with her. No, buy a boy for one. Hey, that's the don't you attack back by no ya. How was if you? Una see if you for 199 who buy back. Ever stand up monado my Destiny. And I be me and I women I be one of you do so. Hey, Destiny go come okay mole. I be go governor. I be go be West as way. Where wa we gbe. Wa we gbe. Na gbera. Ri gbera. Every isembe. Ri gbera wona ya hin ogun ya ke bogun. Ogun si o ya fe no wese no mu dia ne ya no ma. Na ya hin ogun ya. O do ale yo toto o do acclaim am the senti. Na bati nu hu dan me ke na gbo na badola dia. Abafi. I say ba forgive and wa gbe o bagbon. Na ba go forgive your husband, be na your husband go forgive abati nu gbe o. Wonu you wen style kun dan. Wonu ye start kun ma dan. Oh no, you start in your done. Oh, Esther. Esther. Raowa. Esther. And they still say that they post on for everywhere. For TikTok. They say you want to go return bride price. The bride price will return. When I go on, everywhere tabununa. Why return the bride price? You got boy. Me, I be Destiny. Yeah, be Destiny. He got what to buy. Why ye? Oh, yeah, dog, you want. Yeah, real pojo. What's that? But not my Destiny. Esther, you my time where? How we say? You my time go was that? But not my Destiny. The Destiny got a little body here. 5,000 everybody got be in there. Or if you take 10,000 or maybe 5,000 there. Destiny no ya this suya. Destiny why be suya no way my dear. How go get suya? Habi wayami amia or less one no man. When social media why so na Destiny. Me Destiny for long. Esu yaga agwo or what's ereni ewo di oga be stock ba oye twin okoko awu be ne stock owo I am American fashion e ba ni oga je Destiny wa to ga agwo esu ya ye oga bi esu ja be na go na fa be kan eno iya star mo na do mai Agbona idome. What? No be you bring destiny. Ekia come out to Nugbeo. My people ask me, I said, what they bring destiny? Ekia come out. Make I explain to now. Because Ekpakpa wanga we gbinyana lobi gbinyana siye. Una no Rita. Destiny ex-girlfriend waiting for Belgium. When you give Destiny money, may take battery light for her. Destiny not come battery light. Or woman not taking Gaza. Abi Gaza, Gaza, we do muzomo. Destiny ma mo battery light gay Rita. Oh my baby Gaza. Now so Rita come they call Destiny. He go call the corner. Where my money? Where my trailer head? Where my money? Where my trailer head? Now Destiny come block Rita. The Rita na omami carry me. Omami trailer head. Omami me go. Now she can't cry. She don't even cry come for social media. She can't cry for his ass. To her close friends. Now so Destiny come call Rita girlfriend. Whether they work for the same red light. Come call and say, Rita, everybody here they come in for a place for that one and for they do red lights. Rita, you they narrate me say, may Rita not come here again. Oh. Trailer head I never see. May she wait. Anytime when she takes her, she go get time. If I not see her, anytime I take return the money, I go return the money. Now there, Destiny, come they threaten Rita. Come they threaten as Destiny they talk to Rita friend. He come they threaten Rita say, you see that your friend, you know, so you be our best friend, oh. One more, our breast there with me, oh. Our knuckles there with me, oh. Our toto there with me, oh. One more. My people. That one na Isan. Rita na Bini. That Rita friend na Isan. Now so Rita friend. Go call Edward because na Edward friend. Yeah, Edward they play. He dey buy hair for Edward hand. Now so Rita can't go take call Edward say, hey, see, now Edward just from there. Hey, the thing be say, just to pepper, to drag Esther down. On that drag it down, drag all your generation down. Even the pikin way born for the Destiny, on that drag it, on that yeah, now I got say, okay. Now, go tell that your friend, tell Rita. Tell her say Destiny they use, he get a kpeku so he go release her for social media for Facebook. Oh. That time Facebook they hot. Now that Rita is a friend. Come go tell Rita. Now Rita say, my friend, may you know your worry. He Destiny can call you saying get my press. If I draw my money again on my trailer head, he go bring my press and my kpeku come out. Me still getting you. The time when they do what they do for phone, he still record Destiny. That one call the thought say, nah lie, you sure? Because say yes, I do. Because every time I trust that one and say they be friends, that they do a shower for one room. Now Rita can't send them, give and say, see him now. See Destiny your way Mr. Get. Now that one can't send that to Edward. Now Edward tell and say, oh ja. Una remember say no be Rita. No be carry video come on. I remember say Rita go juju place that time say, go swear say, he na he carry Destiny ekia come out. Send a friend when he send down to. He don't even send down to and say, make he do him. Make he share him. Or make he bring a comment. Now the Eastern friend. Now he do him. It was all the work of Edward. Edward, Nosungu, was the one that persuaded the Eastern idiot, the Eastern girl, the friend to Rita, make he release that picture. Just because, if you release the picture, Shem will come catch your husband, Esther will come around, Kata will come there. At the end of the day, we know who say, unya. A woman that respects her husband will never do a video without the husband's consent. Let me tell you. I respect, Bini me a lot. Why? When I say my racist, my one number one racist easy. Echo. Understand? Nonsensical. If you really respect your husband, where you're not supposed to call your husband before you came out on that video to contest, say, my friend, I go pay the money. Which money you want to pay? No, who are just to bring Esther down. In the process of bringing Esther down, because of where Ugodogu was in your door. No, not do it to where me or my own who are back. Ni no bawak boy. I said to Moto, na tabaso manata where you Esther equal dogu me dona. Una besese. Nuteya remek where ya you go bonuya. Nu wabi you ya zen bay. You are no giazen. Your mama na win. Your mama will confess on you, Bini. Evelyn. In the process now of trying to bring Esther down, go do that video, even without the permission or the permission of your husband. Our market now, you drag your husband down, you useless your husband. The video you did was a confirmed proof, was so confirmed. Say, what people they talk, follow that in the truth. You could not even defend him, no matter what. And I'm here got that for well other than Moisi ya me or when you go. As you do that video, when you go see how you talk, I want peace. You go still talk. May you take defend your husband. Did you defend your husband? No. Why do you Did you defend your husband? No. You concur for every nonsense, every rumor where they talk follow your husband. Remember when nonsense you know that? Hey, that's the no. Wama oji no gbe wa gun. Hey, that's the man stand okay do I wait also akemi ho. Hey, what my destination true? Hey, destiny stand there. Okay, do I where I also I got to he play music lele ya kia. Ana yo bomb ya house. Ana bi go. Where start my destiny? How many years you and Destiny take the friend before Esther can come into the picture? I any Destiny. Every no we any energy. I'm not any baby. I can do Destiny. Oh, so a Destiny akwe geta. A Destiny. Yeah, a Destiny see one walk with it. Hey, talk about mommy go ya firiku. Then you were with her. You were with him. Hey, Destiny no be so way. He get okay, but let's talk about mommy go firiku. Again, I get na mommy go near. Ona iti do baza na nek be investari yo en western do my. We can't do yet. We can't do all because of jealousy. I know no woman no go jealous, but you go just talk from the beginning. No be say you they do pe. You they do grease snake. They do grease snake. Una yestania, una yakin, una yesta yakin ma dana go here. Say na Esther be the bad one. So that means they not put eye on you. You see the music, the song where I see girls. You know why I give my mama. Unyi mama abi mama agona. Oma to bo ka mi no kin. Uma bere ni uma amai gi we mama pa we. Agbon ya gba we nere. Na gba enu gbogodo okin. Na gba enu gbogodo. Evelyn no bi aburu me. Ukin o yara ne uma doge ti yan ma ri lenu e. Agbapa no bi omo no ji re fe. Ari gbobu ko no bi omo go bi ye. Oh, she too let me give you a time. Evelyn no be aburu me. Na gba e no pe gbogodo. Iwo kyo yara nu ma doge ti yan ma ri ndenu e. Agbapa no bi omo no ji re fe o. Ari gbobu ko no bi omo go ji bi o wa. Uma be ra ba igi we ba ma go. Udo ye gbo ma. That video you did. You only introduce yourself to the world. Say that you be the devil in the house of Okemole, Destiny no EBAGUA, aka Okemole. You see, huh? You see, huh? You be one, you come for yourself now, disgrace your husband. Oh, to never disgrace her husband before now. Oh my disgrace all that for there. All the name where they come follow your husband. And he done at your Jack Mojami, at a parapa. Never ever do. Era, oh Jack Mojami Gano. Era not kissani. I don't know, do you marani. Never am her. Where do you? Hockey do fear, walk it, do let me with whatever. He gave an boom. Of your fear, you know. Oh Jack Mojami. Era malak on hot devil can lose body of Mariara. Amariara. I'm a mere fool. I'm a more told that I'm way I'm fool. Igba yakio aya wepe amweba yafua nu gba wagun nu we start talk borago. The video you did now don't show to the world say now you be debated. You not see for husband permission. You can't tell the world una we gbe do ya for magbon. You could not defend your own husband no matter what or don't know where you are. You even though say you catch him, say you know, say your husband he played the woman for one night, you will come and there is a way you talk about it. Even before you come out, you have to get the permission of your husband. Did you get this? One will be boyfriend though. You and Destiny not be boyfriend and girlfriend, will not be husband and wife. Oh my God, you are who ni go ni go But you go, they insult your husband, they praise you, you think you are doing well. Can you imagine the compatibility? Destiny where oh now yak balugwe yo to eye ban me no ugwe Destiny. Destiny. Why lose of yedo? No yak mo ma we get stand over yedo pa yi. Why ye say isembe la wa? Esembe. Esa ogbo wa gbo de. Aba ka no won. Aka baby. Abe baby. Esembe we abi la wa. We ga enia. Awa ge mama. Awe sembe. If ye why you dey say esembe? Why enia ki an ye gbe amane we esembe ya. Why enia? Ama so boy egbe ne. E ga so boy egbe o ye meni je. Why enia so boy egbe ne. Ami we ni je ne. Afẹ́fẹ́ ti fẹ́ no. Ami oni so koko. Emi ni je gbe o. Emi ni je gbe o, ara egbe o. Emi ni je gbe o, ara egbe o. Emi ni je gbe, ara egbe. We dey say, hey, what na they do? Oh, 1, oh, 2. We dey say na Esther. They use judgeability. They follow you. They follow you with bad men. It is very obvious now. Say now you they use judgeability and bad men. They follow Esther. Ma guess that one ma give you talk. I said to you that time, so but I don't go. Esther saw the way I know. Esther who said to you, go well, go. Ni ma be go wet and Esther yiba. We get make by your way. Una do you get na you get down we no gbe over gun. When we had to best yo. And Esther money we ya UK. He get star or then to no vun we shop ni no gbe over gun. E wo ga feed their destiny. A destiny can Esther. We you not the one feed the destiny. A destiny is standing. Oh, when I do buying, yes, turn it to no fear na who, or see your well at your it won't be. Oh, when I do buy anyway, when I do del to. And I do me away, a store when I do dollar to you way. How west am my way? No bow back no. West time my way. Esther Arabia UK, who be quite petty you. No bow back no, ne wemu. No man, egg been away your own. When I hear back up cigar and look give her. Just to bring her down. Oh, 1, oh, 2. You see her now, who go down. A judgeability we ga ulele. Esther of you ya weni ya. O ya na yo ya we no ya gbagba ni. Ona yo una ga you e wo gba. Una ga you e. Who mug yo wi je. E gbogbo. Who be ge mani be close ni gbegbe. Una mug yo we. Who mug ya bati. Nu gbe o bagbo. Una mugeri ta ne fa brody na hu ye wo to te ka shudu wa sungu wa hia. Ami ke nu mala. Una mugelo le kia abalo e balo won. E lo le kia na kan no wia unu no wia. Titi pe ko akan no wia love. U pesi o. Mi emi ne ko wa si ju egbe u pesi o. Una be mugie. Awo ga saboro we gbe bi na. Asaboro ne e dioma no gba oge bi e. Wo wa pa ne ba. On a come away live video, it's come to come board that big camera, come to my people, who are boyfriend, my people, who are boyfriend, my people, are boyfriend. No, wow, who are not going to so. I'm you and or what you mean? I don't beg a Western, or Salobois. Esther, no, be a dog by your sagbo or winner. Why ye and I? Here we were. I move on, one move on. A gear. Iga hoe. Wabana miele. Etiga simio serena novia domeo. Etiga mio boya kwesan ya la. Etiga simio serena novia domeo. Etiga mio boya kwesan bela. Iwe etiga simio serena novia domeo. Hiyo saloba Esther wabi. Esther, where we destiny no be EBAGUA. What God or your to be okay? Are you okay right now? Who got somewhere? You got sacred the way. And ya pick away your 28 sacred the way because yet. And I'm here. I'm here. He what God don't be okay? When I'm here, when I'm here again. What you do? That got with your son and dog when you have few back here. Every year. He go ya mola ganen vevani e keni visan I sembe na fiuk begye o emi abijian ya na mwe bogbe mi abijian o ma be egodi ago kalo to hino odo ni keke okpaika no re gbe okpaika wa re je gbo you know a je gbe ma harmony go be je gba you know a je gbe ma harmony go be je gba you know a je gbe ma harmony go be je gba you know a je gbe ma. He to say this matter will happen now. Bini. So long. He yaki say, this time, I don't know, say, Esther, now I be the good person. Now this is same day, word. Evelyn aburume, ya burume, where you knock by where? The criminal, aburume a criminal, aburume the criminal. Say, now you consider say, now aburume pikin, I be undan. He to say, word na Bini, Esther na Bini. Okpaika go, he go join Yeki, he go saga word. Okpaika has been doing this. Mona I clear, una we be Bini we go the color. Don't Okpaika him. Una, you see now, he don't word. He don't they say, my wife, Siam, now me they tell you now, not be my sister send me. Okpaika, how many gonna be baby no soon who wagon no good back bijou. No back. No ever come out again and say, my sister and your wife, who were Ohuaragbo. When you started your nonsense, when you know, say, Loleki and Isan, you know back Loleki, say, Isan people, why say, Mogi Marovo, Isan Ahin, na say, Monica Lawa. Because you not consent, you not config, said Monica Lawa. You can't be there, you can't join them. Now you want to I go message to my wife. My wife, no ever, see me. She's my sister. She's my sister. Don't ever call her your wife again. Now me they tell you now. Go call her. My sister will do video. If you not cause I'll be again. Now she talk. Me, I dey talk my own. Don't ever call my sister your wife. She's not your wife. Fuck you. Who know you are a whore. You will be bad egg. You will be racist. You thought Lolekia was an Isan. You don't know so now still Bini. Bini. Where far? Now she be. You thought she was an Isan. You came at that time, you go buy all of them. No, you come with TikTok in a video. Oh, what do you know? We make up in the island. Melissa, Usia, you buy. Mama, how money go? You buy. What do you call this woman? Oh, what do you call this woman? Now, fake account. She's still there. Now one woman will be say she's still responsible. She always they call her the Murphy. My husband. What's her name again? You buy all of them to fight Monica. Because you and Lolekia speaking some. You came and hey, hurry my Lolekia here I say moi ovo. I say moi Lolekia ovo. E Monica I say hurry ma. I say fi I say foi. I say swipe we don't know no gba wagbon. So now you want to say e Monica you get some marry no gba wagbon no sungu. You know the fear. And they look you sister now because of my sister they look you. Oh tell me now we. You know toi we. If I bought la we be na. Ogun oba don wa meju ohun opa e money go no be bebe no gba wagbon. Don't ever call my lovely sister your wife again no gba. She's not your wife. You are from no we go this benukere. Other friend ekpo man Kenya na pe manoba. Ikpe maba. Ara egbe o ikpe maba. Ekpo maba. Ikpe maba. Ara egbe o ikpe maba. Wuwa boya ya do daddy kwa ya yon to enu sun wu omo ni go lo bi bebe nu gba omo nu gba we go. After all, my bien me agati no waye ni tie na. Ya agati ewe nu gbe omo na waye ni tie na. O yo to no gwewe. Nu o hu abagbon. Ni ku emu dede na fiere nwa, afiere pe ku so fiere hia. Wa ya aso. ECB wa unya fi pe ye ke no ma keke wa fi pe yo. Wa ya aso ni awe igbeli sembe, imi amobo ya gbuluwa. Now you don't back Evelyn. Say na your isan. Because say Monica marry Isan. You say me because that my wife may not the talk to Evelyn again. Make it joy Evelyn saga on. Oh, poor here money go love your baby. What so? How dare you? Now you want Vasi Yeki. Oh, boy. How wait. When I went to be born. The day when my sister forgive you, they be all begging. Like, we're gonna forgive you, not forgive you. I am you, my boy, here. Now let my sister use all her might to carry you back. Me away be a sister. I never liked you for no reason. I knew say you were dying before. You are still a dana. You were a bomb then. You are still a bomb now. I got tell my wife, may live. I got this sister. Now so they say you go do charm for 25 local government. You know, how many gonna be a baby no soon? No, good your mama not be weak. They not cut your mama. Eta we you we no wa yebani ge wo yin no wa yebani ana ku you are ya ko ana me we ago we ya bo we kan yi o ke do ya male ya bo we block ni you sun wo ana me you yeragun. Your mother is now 90 something years ya be 100 and something years o mo va on be me ha wulo you a ogbe no gbe o wagun omo ni you e ha ri you no jo o ka fi an wo you a popopo papa iyu ye gbe sele o ye gbe Israel why Okpaika. How many go your baby? If you still go son, your mama, I won't force son. Otherwise, they carry. You go for he said be that village one from you go there. You see my mama, your mama go still the dance. Agbo get the bena bug agbala menale. E san agagbe ijakija. E san agamu ijakija. Wow. Ijwa yo not your decae. Oh, yeah, degbebo. How do I swear? A mozele no be meo. He no be dwet you were boo. Nyaka. Iwoke sa ya tu were boo. Don't ever call. She's my sister. You are not related to her husband. Don't ever call her your wife. And then one will betray her because I will remember what you do. When you back Lolekia to beat my own sister. Say my sister na Bini. Lolekia na Isa. You will back her up. When you go with the down of them. Today on call, you are a useless woman. I just wear. Melissa, I just wear Sierra. Ya go go on a go boke wu. He finish you. He joy. was your supporter. She ran away from you after she knows say, did you like Benin people? How dare you call my own lovely sister my wife? I'll tell me, wow, who are going? Oh, go by and where you are. Wow, bell. They take one away book my yaka. No, na ba okay, that any. Una when I bella, when you send me the bitter, of course, not Benin. Mona carry Loleka will be same be at us. You say Loleka and Hesa. That I beg any. Why do I mean do I tell my wife in here? No, who are I'm back to Facebook. Oh, yeah. What's that? EJ, have you put what's that? That I beg any. Okay, ya no bow here. No soon go back more. All money go love your baby. No, go back on anywhere you are. Who bear woman who bear we go where my piano to work bear more. But then we go to work bear. Eto a miracle money. A clean money. Work beside you, lady, whoever. If one of you work me a second. Act beside you. I'm not beside you. I mean £2. Beside you. I see £2. Besagin and see £2. Woman, your boy Yali, a saggy Kodiwa, who me £1. £1. Also, you ever wow, who are going to it's a bit. You want to come and advise my own sister? Esther, they say you go do 24 GG for 24 local government. You walk by wow. If to say the BBD now, you go support one. You go support Esther. Now, because you know that why be able you don't know. Okay, if to say you the truth, all money go no be able to be no bear backbone soon. Me we made the new sage ma 1 year 1 year ima we be wa be we tell our anybody we point this where we go. Oh me he me. What you are? If you I'm person, my children don't grow. My first son last week. I not go work on Saturday. I go shop the next day. I hear call. My pikin there outside for my house. He say, Mama, I rang the bell. Where are you? I say I went for shopping. I still say my life. He did down. He carry his small brother follow body. Do you understand? They are not grown up. How much more say they want to sell breast? No, they don't sell breast again. They are grown up. They are big boys. No, how money go know your baby? No, soon. My pikin carry me go Kentucky chicken. Man, I want me. You pay me. Oh, Mama, eat anything you want. Oh, I go swear it well. I'm back to Facebook, my people. But for now, I still they beat some people for TikTok. It to say you the thought truth. You don't go tell this your insane base sister say. Why you go come and go do video? They beg person. They call her bros. That's the way they insult your own husband with put money for your head. Not be disrespect, you don't want to her husband. Just because you want to bring Esther down. Esther, don't like it. Esther! I'm going to live video. Esther, oh yeah, get. Esther, you went to like it. Oh, where they can't. Osana, we have your winner. Oh, wow, when you're Zach by Esther, get you son of one around. Yes, you say, no, we are doing. Oh, ya can't be can't. This is not about racism, but anyhow you talk about, I don't care. But the thing be say, it is very obvious that this evil girl has been the person, the one under the calamity where they go on for EBAGUA house. But you go carry Esther, come and say Esther be bad person. Everybody will paint Esther bad person. Esther, you carry all Esther conversation with your husband. That time they see the date. You know, as a woman we read saying gallant. As Esther the corner, you go attack Esther and say, Esther, Ulama, I have here your gear. You go give Facebook now. You carry a call for Facebook when they play. You hide your head. You bow back no. Una ya web or quarter when una where or no west send one way talking zigag boy egbo. Una ya web or qua. Ain't you ashamed of yourself? They even say you use only one picking when you born for destiny. Una ya avembo do work get deformation la dia. E bo ma ide gbo e. Emi ame ide kun amo. Nu o hu abagun. Awe sage on to ewe. Nu gbe o bagun. Then nu say. So you wanted to pass underground again to saga the children and saga Esther. Because you they bring wrong narrative about Esther come out underground and nobody know. You want to praise Abat, you know who Abat, you know who your bar. May for not call lick your nya say you don't still carry uve destiny venene. You think I don't know what you are doing. You are an evil. You are an evil. I make you come to that by the way video. Not by the way, I will pay the money. No buy before you pay the money. Now, as if to say you know what, bring your husband down. Although because of Esther you do it to bring Esther down, to make you paint Esther black. No, you use that narrative or total. You're not supposed to call your husband say, honey. As you come out, my friend, this one you they talk. This name you they call my husband. Me and my husband, we not cheat you. Me and my husband, we not play you 419. My husband not be 419, not be 419. Now say you want go UK. I know say my husband they do it. Don't do it for many people. Now I say okay, man, you come. My husband really did everything. You see him, you go embassy. My husband not play you any 419. Okay, as it be so, before I can do this video, as a married woman, where I be? Oh, one, my own one, yeah. Oh, wah! As a first wife, where I be? Me and my husband, we don't discuss him, and my husband's second wife, we go gather pay the money. Oh! You want to give a plot to have where I guy we go wow sekala oru where next start of the go go no destiny buy no gbe omo no gbe we go back no sungu ugwe mana pa we destiny we next time me dia ugwe me we ya pa we gboko ya tabo we hear do via order where is the fair face evil. Chifa, what get time Esther is a black beauty. What mona carry Esther mona see you fair. Esther don't born how many children? Esther children. They don't one don't I want don't again. A young one. Esther is 18 years old with her stature, color. Oh, you say, oh, I sell a popo. Everybody I want the only say you know fear mark boto oh where you oh where giage oh why oh where you na who pop ni dalwe arebo ona do kwa you wo genita no gbe o bagbon there here makeup do me well where via lashes ya ore no sungu no vie pakeki e first layer second layer third layer no gbe o bagbon no sungu bagbon oni san fara me na destiny yo salo ba de destiny here be testing. Yes, I look at it. Hey, destiny, we are now what the war. Who we are that? We are setting where what the new way. Hang in the side. Hang in the head. We are setting where what the hang in the head. Destiny, where you 20 when you get we are setting lifted what you go to come on to a hang here. No koto to have vacuum your way. But test we are your book baby, you want to who could to have valley carry. I do not be any carry to a ridiculous. Have both walk. All I walk, okbo. Wow. Everybody walking out boo, and West Star talk boo. Who everybody could work came on near and support you. Who were bell wow, who was single cup. Now, says the cabo people, wow, well. Hey, my husband, not talking. Hey, we'll pay. Oh, Adam, way a stack bottle. When I'm with stack bottle, and when I'm with destiny bottle again, yeah, Agua. Esan wakbe ga woto. Isan mo wakbe ga woto. E destiny wa isan le gagbe. Me no isan u isan mi are wo we are wa. Destiny isan we ale le we. Ba we are Isan we ale le destiny. Isan be. Sembe bioka no boki bana. Destiny ge kwe amoy. When na mu desembe wo ye do wa destiny mi ezegbo Facebook no mi keri aoji. Ona pa abwa e salobo. O yo be se ti mi ma kegbe. Ma be wu yo bonere ne. Era na adi do. E do bonere ba gbe me do catapult wo isi o ya file ma mi na filo bakpo. No wa ba gbon kedo le ni we wa ga bo me. If ye ni aya wi are do mi ma ne do kegbe. Now what gonna ask the talk so what don't go in some people platform where they insult their generation. You don't go they do all I got there. What this one few get done no gbe o agbon no sun wu. What the ogun agbo what do mo wa ye gbese obu eni. Ido amu ebogbe wo agbe o agbon ogun ogbo a. You not fear. You go in some people platform where they insult their generation. You go they join them, they clap for them. Ogun odogbo e mi atam gwebo ye do no me ibi aria ya bi pon apa ya gbesta no isese yeke wa ho wa agbon no tin ya ga fi fun la ya ga fi fun la o be de am no la se ya ga la dia me na ya fi ya la dia inwi sin ya fefefe na ya we se be every no ya buru me na ya we wa nu gbe o agbon nu won start to gbo e no one start up boy bagbon no su hungu ana ne de beneta dado ala da beneta dado ala da beneta dado wow no one in destiny but when I get start we gbe o bagbon no su hungu esta wa pa ke mi o be wa mi re peti we are going to the UK have a video no gbe o bagbon we be get start no you get start am we na go to UK we na go to Canada we na go to America no wa just start no you go to America go to the Canada go to the we lead go to the UK no sun go back mo start we on we gbe no yak you ma dan era me no kwata era no biye mota ogwe ti yo bodu oga ya ote ya rewe ogwe so kwa na aya mi enwe gbe me ogwe yo bobo giwe yin ma yo bobo giwe yin esta area esta wo to we be egboko ono na yo kwori na okwo level o so kan level the truth has to be said. I'm either the fear pan have you don't they go in some people platform for TikTok. Okay, then I love your generation here, whether for they insult Aslan. Near bell Tessa, if you say you want to go. Don't go there, go carry out laga. And a bike and all soon. How many go no be baby? They don't go the class for them. Yeah, I don't do money. See, yeah, gear. No back bell back. Bike and a woman bell back. My that time I been shut up. Where be we no ya be able to nya magbon. Oko no be eta vawe. Ave se kwa. Agwebo. Do nya magbon na bere me de ngwe mi eze gbugwe. Ma bere ijeki. Ora ti me block e. I can gbu eneke on block otere. Wa sungu. Don't ever call my sister your wife. Who gbe o magbon. That's why gbe gedi. That's why succeed me gbe o ge nu wa ba e. Wa succeed. Wa do time my wife be na. When I went back where, oh, yeah, don't know when I bet. Now we son, no, I son, I want to bear back on his son, not very well, way, yeke. And then look, I don't like another war, another war, you can soon go back. De do balama, de zagazara, de zagazara, de open leg, de pick and drop you. Wow, Waragbo. I dare batty, if you're not there, man, he done it. No, I guess, must start to win a British for you. You want you back off of BST, you not give me change.